What's going on, J Squad? Welcome back. Today's video is actually, it was shot 2 different days. I was here yesterday with Jaden and we caught 2 nice blackfish. Now blackfish are not in season, so I had to throw them back in. Now Jaden's fish wasn't a problem. I got him back in, no problem. My fish, on the other hand, I had trouble with him and I actually thought he wasn't gonna make it. Now he was definitely legal size, but it's not in season. So I was thinking, what do I do? Do I throw a dead fish back in the water, or do I take my chances and take it with me? So I'm asking you guys, comment below, what would you do in that situation? Would you just keep it or throw back in the dead fish? Now luckily for me, I put it on one of those nylon stringers and I put him back in the water, and maybe like 20 minutes 25 minutes later I went back, he was actually swimming around. So I was able to just put him back in the water and let him go, release him. So that was actually good. So without any further ado, hopefully I do catch some more fish today, and I got something else to show you. That's let me see this. That's a nice shirt. Hold on, let me see the front. That's nice, man. Where you got that?
I got that at Custommax.
Where?
Custommax.
That's right, Custommax, where you could get pretty much shirts made, you could get hoodies, you could get face masks, you could get coffee mugs, pretty much anything you want you could get, man. Get in touch with them, Custommax. His name is Will. Also, let him know that you saw the advertisement here on Fishing with Jay, and he'll give you 10% off your entire order. So Custommax, all his info is going to be in the description below. There we go. Fish on. Fish on.
He's on?
Oh, he's on. You can tell by the way he's moving. Maybe the same. It better not be.
I mean, a fish is a fish. Well, you got something. I can tell what you mean. Like, you have to actually real harder.
Oh, am I stuck? He must have gotten me in rocks or something. Is there rocks in there? Oh, he's still on. No, he's right here. See him? Ooh, that's a big boy. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Here, Nate. I mean, Jay. Hold on, babe.
See.
Hold on.
Okay.
Make sure it's on photo.
I'm gonna take the picture.
Hold on. All right, go.
There.
You wouldn't happen to have pliers, would you?
Yeah.
My pliers from last year, they died on me. They got all salty or rusty. I gotta get new pliers. Every year, right?
He's eating so much.
Yeah. Look at those teeth, guys. What do you think about that?
Oh,
Look at those human teeth.
those are sharp.
There you go, guys.
Why'd you do that?
There you go, man. Damn, I don't even have oh, do I have a line to put him in the water? Hold on 1 second. You know, the problem with this is if he goes in the rocks, I won't be able to get him back out. Watch out, Nate. 1 second. I don't want to give him too much room. I want to make sure he up. There you go, real. Keep going. Jay bringing something in right now. Go, Jay. There you go, Jay.
This hurts my arm.
Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. And that's not fighting like the other one was, brother. He still hurts, huh? You giving up already, man?
No.
Bring it up. There you go, bring it up.
I feel it.
Yeah.
I see it.
Right there, woo! Jay! Can we let in some more?
Oh yeah, that fish is alive, by the way, over there. I saw it move.
I want to let this go and go, so I want to cut the line real quick, Jay. Come over here, take a picture. All right.
Gotta get him out quick. That other one's alive though.
You still got the pliers on you, brother, or you put them back?
Yeah, they're in my bucket over there. You want to grab those pliers again?
I'll get it, brother. You don't have to move. I just want to get this guy back in as soon as possible. Yeah, he swallowed that thing. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We pretty much caught 2 blackfish. Jay got one, I got one. It was a good time. Jay had fun, his first time catching a saltwater fish, so he was excited. Remember, get in touch with Will at Customize.max. Let him know you heard it here, and you will get how much?
10% off.
10% off your entire order. So also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Trying to get to 100 subscribers. I think we were at 60 last time I checked. So
almost there.
Almost there, 100 subscribers. Jay's excited, I'm excited. Thank you for the support, we appreciate it. Till next time.